Autophagy without fasting, natural fat burning and healing. Have you ever wondered if there's a hidden system inside your body that can heal itself? A built-in mechanism that burns fat, slows aging, and renews every cell in your body? It's not magic, it's science. The science of autophagy, your body's natural self-cleaning and fat-burning process. But here's the real question. Can you activate autophagy, this life-changing repair system, without fasting? Can you reset your metabolism, reverse inflammation, and melt belly fat without starving yourself? What if the key to healing your body wasn't deprivation, but balance? Welcome to healthywebhub, where we blend science with life and explore the secrets nature built inside every human being. Because healing isn't something you buy, it's something you awaken. And today, we're going to awaken it together. Your body is a masterpiece of intelligent design. When you eat, it stores energy. When you rest, it repairs. When you move, it regenerates. But somewhere along the way, we broke that natural rhythm. We started eating too often, sleeping too little, and living under constant stress. From morning coffee to midnight snacks, our bodies rarely get a moment of silence, and that's where autophagy falls asleep. That's when the body stops cleaning, toxins build up, and the metabolism begins to slow down. People call it aging, but in truth, it's just cellular clutter, the garbage your body never got the chance to take out. Autophagy literally means self-eating, but in reality, it's your body's self-renewal system. When autophagy turns on, your body breaks down old, damaged cells and recycles them to create new, healthy ones. It's like your cells take out their own trash. Clean house and start fresh. This is how your body reduces inflammation, boosts fat burning, heals from the inside out, slows down aging naturally. The fascinating part? You don't have to starve yourself for days to activate it. Autophagy doesn't depend on long fasting. It depends on how you live. Like how to trigger autophagy without fasting. Let's talk about the real switch, insulin. When insulin stays high all the time, because of constant snacking, sugary drinks, or refined carbs, your body never gets the signal to clean and repair. But when you lower insulin naturally, your body automatically shifts into repair mode. You can do that by eating low-carb, real food meals, choosing healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts, by drinking green tea or black coffee in moderation, adding plant-based antioxidants like turmeric, ginger, and berries. These foods send a signal to your body that says, it's time to detox, it's time to heal. No starvation, no complicated routines, just smart nutrition and mindful balance. Autophagy isn't just about food. It's also about how you move and how you rest. When you sleep deeply, your body enters repair mode. Cells start renewing. The brain cleans out waste, and your metabolism resets naturally. When you walk, stretch, or move gently, you trigger something called hormetic stress, a light positive stress that tells your body to get stronger. So yes, exercise can mimic fasting. It can activate autophagy naturally. You don't need to do intense workouts. Just move your body every day. That gentle rhythm is enough. Here's a truth most people overlook. Autophagy also happens in your brain. When you're under constant stress, your brain cells can't clear out toxins. Your thoughts get foggy, your mood sinks, and you feel drained for no reason. But when you calm your mind and through deep breathing, morning walks, gratitude, or meditation, your brain activates its own cleaning system. Mental peace isn't luxury. It's a biological trigger for healing. Because detoxing isn't just about food. It's about your thoughts. Every day, we're bombarded with new diet trends. Keto, intermittent fasting, detox juice cleanses. But the truth is simpler. Your body doesn't want extremes. It just wants balance. Eat when you're hungry, not when you're bored. Sleep when you're tired, not when your phone tells you to scroll. Drink water like it's medicine. Breathe like life depends on it, because it does. And if you give your body this balance, it will begin to heal itself. That's not theory. That's biology. Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and decide to let your body heal. You replace just one processed meal with real food. You walk instead of scrolling for 10 minutes. You close your eyes for 5 deep breaths before sleep. In a few weeks, you'll feel lighter. Your skin will glow. Your mind will clear. Your energy will return. That's not a miracle. That's autophagy. Your body finally doing what it was designed to do. Life always gives us another chance. To begin again, to restore, to heal. Sometimes that chance comes through fasting. Sometimes through stillness. Sometimes through one brave decision. to stop punishing your body and start understanding it. That's where real transformation begins. And maybe, just maybe, this is the moment when you realize you were never waiting for a miracle outside you, because the real miracle was quietly growing within you all along. Have you ever wondered, why do some people stay full of energy, youthful and slim, and while others, despite eating healthy and exercising, can't seem to lose that stubborn belly fat? The answer lies deep inside you, in a natural process your body already knows, but you might have forgotten. It's called autophagy, your body's self-cleaning, healing, and fat-burning system. But here's the shocking truth. You don't need to starve yourself or fast for days to trigger it. You can activate it naturally, through the right timing, food, and mindset. Morning, the natural reset. Every morning is a new chance for your body to reset, but most people rush into the day with coffee, phones, and stress. They switch on survival mode and shut down healing mode. But if you start your morning with awareness, a glass of warm water, a few deep breaths of sunlight, or 10 minutes of silence, you send your cells a signal. It's safe to heal now. That's when autophagy quietly activates. Your body begins to repair, detoxify, and prepare for energy use. Without any hunger, without fasting, your natural system starts working again. Inside the cell, the hidden machinery. Imagine your body as a city and billions of cells working together. Every day they produce energy and waste. Autophagy is the city's cleaning crew. It recycles old parts, repairs damage, and keeps everything running smoothly. But when this cleaning process stops, because of constant eating, sugar spikes, or stress, your body becomes overloaded. Toxins build up, metabolism slows down, and fat starts to store around your belly. That's when you feel heavy, tired, and foggy, not because you're weak, but because your cells are asking for help, and nature's fat-burning triggers. Here's where the power of nature steps in. Certain natural nutrients can mimic fasting, turning on autophagy without starving yourself. Green tea, coffee polyphenols, turmeric, curcumin, and compounds like quercetin found in apples and onions all send repair signals to your cells. Magnesium and omega-3 fats support your liver and balance insulin, helping your body shift from fat storage to fat burning. Combine these with light morning movement, proper hydration, and clean meals, and your body enters a natural healing rhythm. You don't fight your biology anymore, you align with it. The mind-body connection. Your thoughts shape your metabolism. When you're anxious, scrolling endlessly, or sleep-deprived, your body feels unsafe and stores fat to protect itself. But when you calm your mind, breathe deeply, and slow down, you activate your body's healing intelligence. Autophagy doesn't start with hunger. It starts with peace. That's why healing your body also means healing your mind. Now imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up and decide to connect with your body, not fight it. You drink water slowly, breathe deeply, move gently, and eat mindfully. In just a few days, your energy begins to rise. Your belly feels lighter. Your sleep deepens. Your confidence returns. Because your body isn't your enemy. It's your greatest ally, waiting to heal, repair, and guide you toward balance. The process has already begun. Not through restriction, but through awareness. Not through force, but through alignment. And this is the true path to natural fat loss and longevity. The inner fire of life and the science behind renewal. Pause for a moment. Think about this, we're inside your body. Billions of cells are dying and being reborn every single day. That's the miracle of life, creation within destruction, a beginning inside every ending. Science calls it autophagy, the process through which your body cleans, repairs, and renews itself. But this isn't just a biological story, it's an emotional one. Because just like your body renews itself, your mind and spirit do too. When life breaks you, it's not the end. It's your rebirth in disguise. Scientists say when you allow your body to rest, through sleep, stillness, or simply mindful living, your system enters a hidden mode, repair and regeneration. That's when your body removes damaged cells and creates new ones. Your metabolism reawakens. Fat starts to melt. Energy flows again. Your mind becomes clear. But here's the truth. This same process happens in life. When you face pain, failure, or heartbreak, it feels like your world is ending. But that's actually your inner autophagy. The universe is helping you shed the old version of yourself to create a stronger, lighter, wiser one. Science says your body mirrors divine intelligence. Studies show that when you forgive, love, or feel gratitude, your body releases healing hormones, the kind that repair your cells and slow down aging. Healing isn't only about medicine. It's about emotion. It's about energy. Research proves that spending just 10 minutes a day in silence activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for clarity, decision-making, and self-control. So maybe autophagy isn't just something your body does. Maybe it's what your soul has been doing all along. The moment that changes everything. Now ask yourself this. You clean your home, your clothes, your car, but when was the last time you cleaned your mind? What about that anger you've held on to? That regret? That heartbreak? These are mental toxins. Just like the waste your body tries to get rid of. If you keep them, they rot your peace and your health. But if you release them, your body, mind, and soul can finally breathe again. That's when your inner healing begins. That's when your true transformation starts. Neuroscience reveals, when a person replaces despair with hope, the brain begins to rewire itself, a process called neuroplasticity. Your neurons literally form new pathways based on what you think and feel. That's why your thoughts matter. If you wake up believing, my life is getting better, your body starts acting like it. Your hormones shift. Your energy changes. Your frequency rises. You don't just think better, you become better. Most people chase motivation, but real change comes from habit. And habit is born from belief. Science proves that repeating a positive behavior for 21 days creates new neural connections, turning effort into instinct. So if today you decide to rebuild yourself, your body and brain will support that decision. Consistency will transform you. Because healing isn't magic, it's commitment. The power of morning renewal. Before sunrise, your body enters its most natural healing state. Doctors say that early morning hours balance cortisol, improve insulin sensitivity, and trigger fat burning at the cellular level. So just 20 minutes of walking at dawn, breathing deeply, and drinking a glass of warm lemon or turmeric water can naturally activate autophagy. No extreme fasting, no starvation, just a connected lifestyle. At the end of the day, maybe what we truly want isn't a longer life, but a better one. Autophagy teaches us this simple truth. Renew yourself every day, even if it's just by 1%. Because your body, your mind, and your spirit all shine brighter when you keep cleansing what no longer serves you. Detox your body from toxins, your mind from negativity, and your heart from hatred. That's real healing. That's real freedom. This isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new you. A version that's lighter, stronger, and deeply alive. Remember, health isn't just physical. It's emotional. It's spiritual. It's the alignment of your body, mind, and soul. And that's what Healthy Web Hub stands for, bringing science, wisdom, and natural healing together to help you transform your life, inside and out. If this message touched your heart, share it, because your one share might ignite someone else's healing journey. Healthy Web Hub, where science meets soul and healing becomes life. This video is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice.